What are we doing, Mona Chimsa?
Hi guys! So we're going to make something for mommy.
Something for mommy? Yes. Let's make something for mommy.
Stop bluffing.
Yeah. So what are you going to make for mommy?
Porridge.
What is this?
Yum.
Yam porridge.
Yes.
So we're going to make yam porridge for mommy and Chemeka.
Chimka.
Yes.
But it's not gonna eat that. I'm gonna cut.
Okay.
Yes.
And you're cooking with me.
Yeah. Daddy.
Yes, love.
If we eat for skin of the yam, what will happen?
Nobody will eat. Nobody eats skin. It's not good to eat skin.
If you eat the skin, what will happen?
It's not good. You might get. You might be sick. You might not feel well after eating
Like
the skin.
Chimka.
Yeah.
Chop that one.
Yes. Chemeka and mommy have been in the hospital now for a long time.
No, it's not a long time.
Is there a long time they've been in the hospital?
It's not been. It's only 2 nights.
Yeah, and you think 2 nights is not long?
Yes.
2 nights is long, mommy.
But 2 nights is not long. If it's long, it has to be like 10 night shifts. If it's going to be long.
So it had to be like 10 nights before it's long.
Yes. 10 nights is not long.
No. Even 1 night is long. Mommy. Okay.
1 night is not long. True. The last one, the real cook.
Yeah. Now we're still going to cut the other one.
Oh,
Because it's not going to be enough.
there's one more.
If we cook, no, this one. This one.
Yeah. Then after cutting all the yam, what are you gonna do next?
So we're going to start cooking.
Then what are you gonna add?
So going to add fish, our dry fish that we bought from Nigeria.
What about what thing? Trim.
What's that?
Trim.
Shrimp.
Yeah.
No, we're not put shrimp here. We put crayfish. Oh my god, this yam is not good. Aww. This yam is not good.
What happened to it?
See.
What are those brown
Spoiled.
things?
Oh.
What are those brown things?
Yeah, it's not good.
What are those brown things inside?
They're not good, man.
Not good. Then why are you chopping them?
Yeah, I'm trying to see whether I'll get some good ones. They're not good. Look at that. So disappointed.
Let's try this one then.
Yeah, I'm trying to. I'm not happy, and I just bought this yam on our way back from the hospital. The mistake I made is that I didn't ask them to cut it. Because normally when you buy yam, you ask them to cut it to make sure that there's nothing wrong with it. trying to see what I can salvage this one. Oh, this is not good.
Daddy, then what about if nobody got the yam for a very long time? If the yam it was in the shop for a long time,
Yeah.
it will die.
Yeah. I'm not even sorry I'm coming, okay? I'm not happy.
Why is still cutting?
Yeah, I'm trying to see what I can get.
Good one.
Good ones, yeah.
That one good one.
I don't want to waste everything, yeah. This one looks good, but so disappointed. I'm not happy.
But it's looking enough. It looks enough.
It's not enough.
It is enough. Look how many.
Yeah. Guys, that's all I can get from the yam. Nevertheless, we are still going to make the yam porridge with the little one that we have left.
Like the man. Oh, that's nice. And it's tomatoes. Easy twisting.
Yeah.
What was twisting?